Hi everybody, welcome to Fast Home Brew. Today I'm making a Diablo IPA apparently with Josh. Who's Josh? That's Josh, there he is. He's just finishing up his dinner, so I guess we'll go and make the beer in a minute. Yep, off we go. Okay, this is his little brew cave here with his nice new fermenter that he's pretty proud of, and over here he's got a kegerator. How jealous am I? Can you fill up my big, no? Small glass I guess. Oh, whatever. This is an IPA that his friends at the Western Ridge Brewing Collective made for him and let him fill up his keg with, so that's pretty nice. Anyway, this is the kit we're making. It's a Diablo IPA. It's a Mr Beer kit. I think they're made by Kibbers. And as a fermenter, no, apparently we have to use this tiny little fermenter. It's the 15 litre baby version of the normal one. So, alright, we'll see how we go with that little guy. So Josh is just taking the lid off of the kit there, and then off comes the label and into the hot water, as you know. Same old tricks as usual. And now we're sanitizing everything, so the tap gets sanitized and the teeny tiny fermenter gets sanitized over to the sink there. Oh, good. That looks pretty good. Okay, can opener time, and off comes the lid, I guess. Yep. No. Wait. Yep. Lid comes off, and stuff goes into the fermenter, and that's it. There's no anything else. It's just that one can goes in and we're done. And so it's filling up with water now, and the old hot water swishy trick in the thing to get the last bits out. So that goes in there, and yeah, I'm told that this tiny tap will eventually fill up this tiny fermenter. So I'll just wait for that. Alright, looks like we're done. So back down to the brewing area, through the complicated house, and then down the stairs we go, all the way down, and bit of a baby gate there, extra security, down, and here we are in the place with the beer stuff. So, taking a sample there, and the reading was 1.045. Oh, it's filled to only 8.5 litres, so this is one can filled up to 8.5 litres. In goes the yeast, there's the yeast, and the clips go on, and we are done. That's it. That's even easier than the easiest ones I've ever done. So there you go. Check it out. It's a Mr Beer thing. There's this kegerator with the keg, and well, thanks for watching the video. Bye.